Mthunzi is on to Nhloso after realizing that he's the one that stole Madlomo's medication. The kids also suspect him, and Udintle exposed him after finding out that he is keeping Madlomo in the same building where they live. After all the suspicions of him dishing up food and disappearing, not knowing where he is, Madlomo tried to escape but her plan failed when Nhloso caught her and accused her of wanting to go and see Mthunzi. Talita is already someone's wife in prison, and Tidi collapses on her wedding day. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Mthunzi realized that Madlomo's medication is missing and asked the kids, are the guys that took the medication Gama Wenu? They said no, and he realized Nhloso has been opening the drawers where the medication sits and realized how something is fishy. That means Nhloso is the one that took the medication. Madlomo tries to escape from where Nhloso is keeping her, only for it to backfire when Nhloso caught her and accused her of wanting to leave because of Mthunzi. Because he's so jealous of Mthunzi, now he's thinking Madlomo wants to leave because of Mthunzi. And then Udintle catches Nhloso coming from upstairs. What is he doing upstairs? I wonder what excuse he gave, because what is he doing up there? And how Udintle puts one and two together, because Nhloso is always dishing up food. As food is always missing. At times she finds him cooking while they've just eaten. And lies saying that he's doing it for Ntutuko. This time around he said he's dishing up for some homeless men in the complex. Udintle is like, but why don't you just buy them groceries? Because you're going to keep on dishing up for them because they have their own house. Mthunzi is on to Nhloso. Realize, I think, put two and two together. Mthunzi is smart. He's street smart. He's a criminal yakudala. He realized Nhloso is the one that has taken Madlomo, and phones the kids and tells them, I think Utatwenu is the one that took Umamoenu. And they go to Dintle's house to raid the place. Bafuna search. Udintle insists Nhloso, no, I want to see it myself. Mthunzi forces himself inside the house and searches in Dintle. And then the kids tell her, as we suspect Utubabunoma, whoever she is. And Udintle is actually coming clean now. I think I know Madlomo okay. Because now she's putting two and two together and realize, why is Nhloso been going upstairs so frequently and he disappears and doesn't answer his phone? So something is fishy. Wherever Madlomo ling, unalin Nhloso. Madlomo has been begging Nhloso to let her go, but he refused. Now, and even told him, kidnapping is a crime. Really is, I won't say anything, but he refused. Now he's arrested for kidnapping Madlomo. And Madlomo was also worried about Ntutuko getting into trouble because of all the stress. And now Ntutuko ends up getting arrested. It seems like Ubotsoso getting a job at Level apartment was not a good idea, because he threw a party, invited Ntutuko, no poet. They called some girls over. Now some girl died on the couch. And now they don't know what happened, but they cannot go straight to the police. Now Bazani in a suitcase. Now they're worried about CCTV footage. The next thing, the police are now questioning them. Ntutuko is now scared. Please, because Madlomo is going to be so heartbroken when finding out Ntutuko is involved in some case where some girl passed. Also, Upoet is also involved in all of this. No, Botsotso is even thinking of running away from Joburg, because this whole thing doesn't look good on all of them. They should have just come clean, yes, because now they've hidden the body. Now that's a crime on its own. And then Utsidi lying that she has a brain tumor, has actually gotten Divet to get her specialist to look at her. Now, but the funny part is that Utsidi collapses at her wedding. What's going on now? Is she pregnant? Is she ending up with some illness that she did not know about? And now, Talita was right when she said she's not going to survive a day in prison, because now the prisoners are already seeing a wife. Already Talita, she was right when she said she was not going to survive and begged Toriso to get a bishop for her. And Toriso actually agreed and got her that lawyer. Utaps is shocked. Why would you do that? Why would you get Mama a lawyer? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.